Today we're gonna make Thai Kai sliders on the Blackstone Griddle. I'm gonna make a large batch of sliders. So I have 3 pounds of ground chicken here. Feel free to cut this in half if you want to. 2 cups of shredded carrots, half cup of chopped green onion, 4 or 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of chili garlic sauce, and a little Himalayan pink salt. And for the sauce, I'm gonna do a little makeshift Southeast Asian slaw, starting with about 1 cup to 1.25 cups of diced red cabbage. I'm gonna add approximately 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, roughly 1/4 cup of sweet Thai chili sauce, a couple of small handfuls of cilantro, and we'll finish it up with a teaspoon or less of granulated garlic. Just mix those ingredients together, and it'll be rather chunky. This is gonna have the consistency of a thick coleslaw. I have the Blackstone 36-inch griddle on high. Throw down a little light olive oil. Just wipe that in with some paper towels. And I like to use a food service ice cream scooper with a little lever. Makes this job a lot easier. Just check the bottom of the patty. Make sure it's blackened, and we go ahead and flip them with the spatula. I'll actually flip the patties a few times just to make sure that everything is blackened. And at this point, the outside of the patties are seared. I'll go ahead and turn the heat down to medium low so the outside doesn't burn, but the center of the patty will continue to cook. The patties are finished, so we'll go ahead and place them on a tray. We have sweet Hawaiian rolls, pieces of green leaf lettuce, and we'll put one of those succulent looking patties on top. And finally, we can top it with that Southeast Asian slaw. I call them Thai Kai chicken sliders, and I did it all on the Blackstone.